Welcome to the report of me, Cubot P50, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So first, let's just open the settings application, and after that tap on the sound section. Then you'll see here the ringtone volume panel. Just to mute your device ringtone, you should hold and swipe to the left side. There is blue dot, and that's it. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first press up or down volume button on the right side of your phone, and after that click here to the settings icon. Then you'll see the full volume panels here section, and just to mute your device ringtone, you should by the same way hold and swipe to the left side. There's blue dot, and then just tap here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.